Welcome to the video that offers some tips for you as you administer diagnostic screeners for mathematics. To give the assessment all at once or not. The computational fluency screener is a single page. It can be given all at once. The problem-solving screener is 20 questions on multiple pages. It can be given all at once. However, if you find that due to student fatigue or being pressed for time on a given day, that you need to break up the assessment into smaller chunks, you can do so. The benefit of breaking it up is that it takes smaller chunks of individual days. However, that's a lot of transition time, getting students in and out of the mode of a classroom testing environment for just a few items. As you consider this, the main thing you need to know is that you do not have to give the entire screener in one sitting. You certainly can, and the screeners were designed to be able to be given in a single setting each. But if you find yourself pressed for time and think you can do maybe 2 or 3 rows of the computational fluency screener or 2 or 3 pages of the problem-solving screener at one stretch, then you can certainly exercise your professional judgment in screening your students during the beginning of your window. If you choose to break the assessment up, please don't allow long stretches of time, weeks for example, to pass between giving parts of the assessment. Accommodations. If a student has a 504 or special education accommodation from their IEP, then they should be allowed to use that accommodation when taking any RTI screeners for mathematics. This includes use of a calculator on the computational fluency assessment if the use of a calculator is one of the student's accommodations.